So my name is Angel Menendez. I am the staff developer advocate at N8N. We essentially create automation software that you can either self-host or run on our cloud. It helps make the software design process fun and easy because it's all UI based. It's like playing with blocks, essentially. Managing a lot of the certificates within our organization was pretty difficult to do before. We have a lot of different domains that we manage, things like that. Working with the API on Venafi was wonderful. The documentation was so easy to use. You're able to just log in, manage your CSRs very easily. Having Venafi has helped us kind of streamline everything by, again, putting it all in one place. And then not only having it in one place, but then allowing us to interact with that with other platforms. So what we're able to do is using our platform, we can create like a link between Venafi and things like Slack. So what that's allowed us to do is to kind of isolate different teams, but still give them access to the tools within Venafi that they need using the back-end APIs. On our end, we are more of a smaller organization, but it's helped us give us more like a roadmap or kind of a pathway or rails to be able to grow into. So we know that we'll be able to scale up utilizing the platform, even though we're not as big yet as some of the larger organizations that we work with. I would say that Venafi's automation has impacted our organization by allowing different teams to utilize the platform without having to log into Venafi itself. Which allows for us to kind of control the interface, reduce the complexity on our end to just the parts of the platform that the users need. And by doing that, it makes it easier and it streamlines the process. So instead of forcing people to kind of jump from one app to another, they can stay within one central location like Slack, and from there essentially do whatever it is they need to do. My perspective is that in today's landscape, not enough attention is being paid to machine identity. It's something that sometimes tends to get overlooked, and it's something that I think more and more organizations are starting to become aware of, especially as their internal teams start to kind of delve deeper and deeper into these things. You're starting to see more of an emphasis on it, but it's still hard to find solutions for it. Utilizing automation platforms to manage machine identity, I think, is key. And then on top of that, using platforms like Venafi to then streamline it makes it so much easier. The experience working with the team here at Venafi has been incredible. Everyone has been so kind and so responsive. I feel like I can't send an email without getting a response back within minutes. So they've been very easy to work with, very intelligent. They know what they're talking about, and I know that if I get stuck or have a question, I can just reach out. Somebody will get right back to me.